I have waited for the second part of this order. Okay. So, next item. I'm so cute. Ritzy. This pink. I'm not even a pink girly like that, but dang. This is so pretty. What's a what? I have this one. Oh, instructions. And it gives you a little instructions. So this is it. 1 ounce. This is 1 ounce. Comes with a seal. Let's test. There's a few air bubbles. We'll let that dry. Just place this right there. Next item. Oh, the bag, just like a number. Acrylic powder. This is a really pretty color. Came with a little seal. Just like peel it. Alright, now for this pink. Let's see if I can do a one. A smaller one. 1, 2, 3. The colored marbling. Okay, maybe we need to stir. Oh, yikes. Yikes. There's so much acrylic in my brush. Crazy. Alright, chance. Look at my bead. There we go. She's still marbling. You don't see that? Anywho. So I purchased this for dipping. However, it says acrylic on the bottle. I do not recommend this powder. It's marbling like no other. I've even tried to stir. All right, the color's missing on this area, this area, this area. Yeah, so I guess it has more clear in this. For this, I do not recommend because there's too much marbling going on. You could give it a fair chance. Next item, honey. So it's sheer, but it's more pink. But for it to not, it was sitting like this. Next item, we got some glitter. Number 4. So I got this just in case I need to do some sugaring. Oof. If she wanted gold, now I have the gold. Tell me that ain't pretty. Let's open it up. It's dip system activator. Using this. Oh. Got my activator. And you see what it just did? That's cool. I'm just gonna like try to get it. Okay. Not that much came off. I'm gonna pour this. This is the one, this first one. You can see the side profile. Kind of thick right here, a little bit, you know, little structure there going on right here. And then here, the dip method, you can see where it's also building up like a really slim. I kind of like that. Okay. So I just wanted to pull number 4 out just so you guys can compare. You can all compare. Here's number 3. And this is how it compares. Get it right. Wow. Wow. Moving on up. Gorgeous. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Oh, this number 4. I could so see this with like some chocolate nails. Isn't that pretty? Of the gold, like bronze. But you can kind of see how like it saturated it too much and back where it's supposed to be. Okay, so this is... Did you get it? Oh. I was like, did I get another one? I thought this was this. It looked like it. But they different. Okay. Hold on. Quick extension gel. UV LED soap. Ooh. Okay, but did y'all see that? Hold on, let me put closer. My bad. Y'all see that? I think they mean like builder gel. It's supposed to be like builder gel. It's pretty though. This is a cute fun color for the toes. That's gorgeous. Pretty. I need a bigger bottle. For this one, can I get a 10 milliliter? I do. I would like her as a staple in my collection. That would be great with like a unicorn design. Unicorn love. She don't have no name, but I named her Unicorn. Because that's what it's given. Birthday cake, unicorn, all that. Our last item, y'all. This what it says labeled with. You can tell it's some polish. What did I get? Oh, this ain't no polish. This is activator. I need to buy the whole system because one could be just user error. And this one is dip. You can use my swatches. Pretty. Alright. Hold them the light. Look at these polishes. Some more glitter, sugaring. I really like this pink. I really like that. Look at all these Valentine's Day stickers. So affordable. Brushes, 4-pack. I think they were under $1 or something. One of my favorite nail polishes. Some stones. They're not rhinestones again. We got some ovals, some horse eyes. Wait, is it? No ovals. These are horse eyes. 1, 2, 3 are horse eyes, and this is oval. And then we got some dip stuff that I ain't even do justice. We got some acrylic. I will not buy color acrylic from Temu. But everything else, I needed these. 50 of them. I got 50, y'all. Oh, I forgot these little babies. These little horse eyes. This is the pink, the horse eye little pink thing. It was like 30 pieces of these. I think they were 30 or 50. They're so small. Thank you guys for watching this far. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and like, share, and comment, and have a good one. Talk to you later.